Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on ejecting water from an Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If your watch gets wet by mistake or you swim and forget to turn on the water lock, it's a good idea to eject the water from your watch. When the watch ejects water, it plays a series of tones to eject any water in the speaker. To eject water from the watch, you need to turn on the water lock first. Tap the side button to open the control center, then scroll down and tap the water droplet icon. This turns on the water lock and will lock the screen. To turn off the water lock and eject water, hold down on the digital crown until the screen returns to the normal home screen. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.